I'm Anthony Molinaro. I'm in Port Townsend. I'm visiting in from Seattle. I-522 is a very important issue on very many counts. One of them being people's right to actually know what's actually in their product. It's freedom and liberty. And I think on many different political proclivity that one should actually agree that people have the right to actually know what's in their food. We have a movement towards kind of a monopolization of agriculture globally. And GMOs are one of those things. With the patent of life, it actually can create a sense of enslavement and a monopoly. Being that we federally subsidize these genetically modified organisms and these types of food, in the end, it kind of counts as theft from these multinational corporations, where then with their limited amounts of money and appropriation and legal firms and lobbyists, nobody can compete. And it's actually creating a level of feudalism starting with our food. So that's a separate issue, but this one is a great start. And I think most people would agree, I would imagine, that they believe that in people's freedom to know what is actually in their food and their ingredients. According to Citizens United, we have certain folks out there that apparently can, write as many checks of free speech as they want. Ultimately, we can see clearly that the political apparatus can be bought and paid for, and democracy can be purchased by the highest bidder. And clearly, we can see by where federal subsidies, some would call that welfare, but at least for these guys, we call them subsidies. They can basically lock out other farmers that have been able to actually operate for generations. Not anymore, because we have now feudalism is born within just around food.
Give me the microphone, there you go. Is creating a classist food system where people that, only people that are wealthy are able to feed themselves well with organic, with healthy food, and everybody else has to eat this genetically modified, industrialized food. It's linked to, we don't really know, it is linked to a lot of different kinds of diseases, everything from intestinal problems, which is the basis for your health is your intestines. That's where your health starts. And it does seem to have a link to tearing that down, and also allergies, infertility. There's all kinds of things it's linked to, and it has not been researched. And because it hasn't been researched, it shouldn't be allowed to be in our food until it has gone through a very progressive and very thorough research process, independent of the ones that produce it. So in other words, Monsanto cannot regulate...
Fund their own study.
Right, regulate themselves. That would be like the
chicken hawk being in
the burglar
in charge of the hen house.
Being on his own jury and deciding that he is innocent. That's not going to work.
Yeah.
So so we would very much like to see them labeled. At least labeled, at the very least, so we can make a choice.
We have a right to know what's in our food. Period. We have a right to know what's in our food.